My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 Ford Transit Custom Nugget camper. This camper has only done just over 4,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back, we can see that we have a shower, and we're able to attach that on the side wherever we feel convenient. Moving on to the kitchen, we have a sink, cooker and fridge. This camper is 4 berths, so we have a double bed within the pop top. And another double bed, which we'll see from the pictures this transforms into. On the steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature.
Phone voice assistant requires a connected phone.
As well as cruise control. And on the touchscreen, we have features such as Bluetooth, 4-pass connect, and emergency assistance. This Nugget camper also comes with a reversing camera. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.